Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'm going to show you how to make pan pizza fries. This would not only make pizza lovers go crazy, but could be a great addition to your list of unique recipes. But before we get to the recipe, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment, and share my videos. So to make this, you need 1 pound of ground beef, 14 ounces of classical traditional pizza sauce. You could use pizza sauce of your choice, but this one gives a very bold taste which I absolutely love. About 1 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, sea salt to taste about 1 to 2 teaspoons. You could also use regular salt, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 8 ounces or about 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, about 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 pounds of peeled potatoes cut into French fries, about 1 centimeters thick of used russet potatoes. It's important to note that you should cut and prepare the fries after you've cooked your beef. Fresh tastes better, but you could also use the frozen kind. In a hot cast iron skillet, I've added 4 tablespoons of butter. Allow the butter to melt. The flame is on medium. Now add the 1 pound of ground beef. Break it down and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until all the beef changes color. Stir occasionally for even cooking and to avoid the beef from getting stuck to the pan or burning. Once the beef changes color, it would start to release water. Turn the flame to medium-low and let it cook itself in its own moisture. Add some seasoning to it, about 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Like I said before, if you don't have sea salt, you could also use regular salt instead. Now when the water dries out and the beef hasn't cooked yet, you could add about half a cup to 1 cup of hot water and let it cook further. Turn the flame to medium. Stir occasionally. Scrape off any beef that's stuck to the pan. Once the beef is done, turn the stove off and set it aside. Let's move on to the fries now. Season them with a little bit of salt, about half a teaspoon. Now add the 3 tablespoons of corn flour, followed by half a teaspoon of baking powder. Do not use baking soda instead. Baking soda and baking powder are not the same. Mix well. Now I'm going to deep fry my fries in preheated oil of 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is approximately 163 degrees Celsius, for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the fries are done. After about 7 to 8 minutes, insert a fork to check if the fries are done. The inside should be soft and the outside crispy. If not done, you could continue to fry further for about a couple more minutes. Once done, take them out of the oil and drain the oil. I've transferred the ground beef to a bowl temporarily, and I'm using the same cast iron pan that I've used to prepare the ground beef. This pan is oven safe, but if yours is not, then use an oven safe circular dish to arrange and distribute the fries as evenly as you can. You could use your hands for the arrangement. Once the fries have been arranged, I'm going to spread the pizza sauce all over and distribute them as evenly as I can. This pizza sauce right here is the heart of the dish. Now once the sauce goes in, I'm going to distribute the ground beef as evenly as I can. Take your time, do not rush. It's important that every bite has the same taste and combination of ingredients. Now I'll layer up with the shredded mozzarella cheese. To give it a little bit more of the kick and a better taste, I'm going to top it off with the half cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Now, in a preheated oven of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius, I'm going to bake it for about 5 to 7 minutes until the cheeses melt and the sauce infuses. Once done, I've taken it out and it looks absolutely amazing. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment, and share my videos. Try it at home and let me know in the comments below. Take care.